What's up, everyone? I'm going to show you 6 different Roku secret codes, how to enter them, where they take you, and what each hidden menu actually does. And yep, everything starts on the home screen, so make sure you're right there before punching in these combos. Secret menu number 1. Developer settings. Press home 3 times, up 2 times, and then 1 time, right, left, right. Think of it like the old school Contra code. This takes you straight into the developer settings menu. Most people won't need it, but if you're installing custom apps or messing with the developer portal, this is where all that lives. Secret menu number 2. Wireless secret menu. Press home 5 times, and then 1 time, up, down, up. If you're battling Wi-Fi issues, this screen is a lifesaver. You'll see signal strength, Wi-Fi channel, packet info, retries, driver versions, everything. You even get reset options to reboot the wireless chip or reload drivers. Secret menu number 3. The secret screen. Press home 5 times, fast forward 3 times, rewind 2 times. Here's where you get your Roku's build date, version number, serial, MAC addresses, uptime, power cycles, all your system diagnostics. You can also perform soft resets, factory resets, cycle the store server, or update the software right from here. Secret menu number 4. Secret screen 2. Press home 5 times, and then 1 time, up, right, down, left, up. This one focuses mostly on Roku ads and UI elements. You can cycle ad servers, image services, screenshots, and banner settings. You used to be able to disable ads here, but Roku removed that option. Secret menu number 5. HDMI. Secret menu. Press home 5 times, down, left, up 3 times. If you want to see which HDMI formats your Roku and TV combo supports, 4K, HDR, refresh rates, this is where you check it. You can also tweak HDMI suspend settings, recovery options, and input tests. Secret menu number 6. The platform secret screen, most useful. Press home 2 times, and then 1 time, fast forward, down, rewind, down, fast forward. This is the big one. It shows internal temperature, performance data, system load, memory info, basically the health dashboard of your Roku. If you only remember one secret code, it should be this one. And that's your quick guide to Roku's hidden menus. Drop a comment telling me which secret screen helped you the most, and I'll pin the best tips. Catch you in the next one.